Welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I would like to show a new diamond painting I got that super surprised me when I picked it up. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you enjoyed the show. So I originally ordered a couple paintings from Amazon, and I picked one that I had been seeing other diamond painters show when they've completed it, so I really wanted it myself because I just believe it's just real pretty. And the company is called ArtDot, and I assumed it was going to come just usually, if you ever ordered paintings from Amazon, they usually have them in a little plastic sleeve, and then you just, work from there. I did not know it was going to come in a tube. And I purchased items that were made by ArtDot. A lot of my storage units are from ArtDot brand, but I've never bought one of their paintings, so I did not know it came in a tube. And it's so funny. It reminds me when I got my graduation diploma. That's what it came in. It came in a tube, and I think it's really cool. It's really sturdy, and this is the first time I've ever bought a painting from the company, so I'm super excited about it. And again, the company is called ArtDot, and it's just one of their. This is an advanced level, which I believe is their medium size. And it's a diamond painting kit, and it's really cool. The tube has all the information, kind of like how a lot of other diamond companies have it on their containers, like their boxes and all of that. It has just some instructions on completing diamond painting, and in the back it just shows the benefits of doing diamond painting. And as well, let me see if I can get in the camera. And the little kit includes all of these items. It includes the canvas, the diamonds, which is the diamond set, the pen, the tray, the wax, the sticker sheet, so you can label if you're going to be kitting it up into boxes, and the freestyle sticker. In all honesty, reason I heard about ArtDot, their painting, is because I've heard about the stickers, and I really wanted to try the stickers. Don't get me wrong, I love the painting, but I love stickers, as you've seen on my desk, so I'm excited to diamond paint some stickers. And the painting, I'm not too sure if my camera can reach it, is this one. It's the colorful field of butterflies, and I love this painting. I kept seeing it with a lot of other diamond painters that I jumped the boat and bought one myself. And this is the item number for it, if in case you're interested as well. And I didn't purchase it through their website, as I stated. I purchased it through Amazon, and I did not know, as I said, it's going to come in a tube. So usually the tube has a level cover on it, but for me it was such a battle to take it off. I'm gonna leave it off. I just popped it off, and I'm not gonna put it back on. So if you give me a bit, I'm gonna take everything out of the tube. Unfortunately, I can't do it pull everything out on the desk. So if you give me a moment, I'll be right back, and I'll make sure to show everything from the container. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Yeah, I pulled the painting out of the tube, and it made that little boop sound, and I kind of like the sound. Yeah, so this is everything that goes in the tube. It's the canvas of the painting, the diamonds, the sticker sheet with all of the colors. There are 36 colors with 3 ABs. And this is the other thing I noticed with ArtDot. They do such a neato thing. The little colored stickers that you see, those are the ABs. And it's real cool because that's how you can spot them and indicate, oh, so that's the AB. You just see those colors, especially when you're kitting up. And if you have a certain way, if you do by the design, sorry, not the design, the symbol, or the DMC number, or anything like that, so you can have an order, you can spot them real quick if you see the colors. I love that little kind of extra part of it. And just some information of the painting. It is a round shaped drill. I kind of thought it was squared until I saw them, and I noticed, oh, it was round. It didn't click in my head till later. And it is a 26 by 13 inch canvas or a 66 centimeter by 33 centimeter. And again, this is the item number in case you're interested in locating the painting if you want to purchase it, well, on Amazon. And I believe it's the same code if you decide to go through the ArtDot website, because they do sell some paintings on their site as well. And this is the little kit that comes in it. And the other reason I was interested in it is because I have seen the trays and I really wanted to try them. And I see the stickers. I'm so excited about the stickers. So let me just open the kit real quick. I like that it's just a regular plastic bag, and I recycle, so I have no problems recycling this if I don't need to use it again. So let me just pull everything out. And there we go. I'm going to move the diamond aside because they're kind of pushing me off camera. And it's real interesting. The bag kind of also says what's in the kit, the tray, the wax, and the pen, and all of that. I think that's really neat. So there's some washi tape. Oh, I like this design. Oh, it's so pretty. It's little leaves and all that. I like that. And then the pen with a 3-placer on it. I love the color blue and the little squishy pencil holder. I believe you can just slide it in. I don't want to fight it, but you can slide it in. And the wax. I love how it's a little heart. And I love that it's blue. Blue is my favorite color, so I was so excited when I saw that their tray and all that is blue, so I'm a fan of that. And their little tray. It's so small. Like I said, I've seen it before, but I didn't really notice how small it was. And this little kind of connector is in case you have more of these trays, you can actually connect them and be able to do a multi-tray if you have several of them. Sorry about that. I don't know why I can't speak today. And the stickers. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So, oh, there's an ice cream cone. It's an ice cream cone and stars. And oh my goodness, I am so excited about these stickers. I'm going to keep saying that over and over. And I'll make sure to put a video of working on them because I really want to see how they come up when they're worked up. I've seen other diamond painters make these stickers, but myself, I'd rather see it in person. So I'm really, really curious how it's going to look. So that's everything in the kit. Let me just put everything back because I kind of don't want to misplace anything. I'm just going to put it here on the side. My little teacup because I'm drinking some tea today. So let me put the stickers aside. The label stickers, sorry. And these are the diamonds. Excuse me. As I said, they are 36 colors and 3 ABs. And when I pulled it out, I noticed the first thing I saw, because I believe it was packed this way? No, this way, sorry. I noticed the blue AB. Can you see it? It's this one right here. Let me see if I can focus it. It's this one right here, and I just fell in love because blue is my favorite color. I believe I might have said that before. So I was so excited when I saw that. I turned it, and I was able to locate the other two. There's a yellow AB, which is right there, and a white. So let me take out the diamond, because as I said, I'm not familiar on their style, so I'm curious how it is. And sorry about the crinkly noise. It's a really big packet. And 36 isn't too bad. The painting, the artist room painting, I'm working from Diamondart. That one's a lot more. I believe it is 46. So 36 isn't too bad for me anyway. And rounds, and I'm a lot faster on rounds, so I'm so excited that I could probably work up this painting real quick. And yeah, let me pull out the diamond. Sorry, I believe they're really long. Ooh, really long strip of them. Oh, it is. It's just one. Oh no, there you go. It stopped. Okay. Oh no, they're two really continuous strips. And oh, sorry, they're upside down there. Pull this off real quick. I like it. I like these. I love these little plastic packets because they're so much easier for me to pour out. I love the Ziploc bags, don't get me wrong, but I'm a fan of these packets because that's how I originally learned to diamond paint. All the diamond paintings I started with were in these little packets. So to me, they're kind of my favorite. So, here, we'll look at the first one. It's a dark red, which I believe ArtDot might have their own code indicator. So you can see this is 815, 814. Or no, my apologies. I believe that's their DMC. Yeah, that's their DMC number. I just saw it on the sticker set. Sorry about that. So, nice dark red, which is 815. A darker red, 814. A really nice ocean blue, 797. A marigold color, 742. A darker marigold, 741. This to me looks neon-y, so neon-y orange, 740. A nice Kelly green, 701. A nice red, 666. Lucky number there. A really dark purple with 2 packets and 550. A dark green, 500. our first AB772, and it's a really kind of cream white. As you can see, I think the lighting might be catching it. I love this white. A lot of my yarn is in this white color. And that's an AB. And a nice kind of banana yellow, 445. A nice caramel color, 443. A darker caramel color, 433. A nice red, 321. Our next AB, which is a nice banana yellow, as you can see it, or lemon yellow, actually, I'll say that. Oh, that is such a pretty AB. I love the yellows when they're an AB. 209, a nice lilac color. 208, a darker lilac color. And 166, and it's kind of a green. It's kind of neon-y green, but not that neon-y. Not that neon-y. And for the second strip, sorry for all the sound. I did not know the packets were going to be this long. Oh, there we go. 3852, a nice sand color. 3AB 3755. This is the third AB. It's that beautiful blue. I saw it. It's kind of a darker sky blue, but I love that AB color. A really oceany blue, 3843. A nice purple, 3837. Darker purple, 3834. A baby blue, 3761. Again, another oceany blue, 996. Ooh, a nice dark oceany blue, 995. A darker orange, 947. Kind of a, I believe it's black color, 939. Nice green, or sour apple green, that's what it makes me think of, 907. Another nice Kelly green, 906. A really dark earthy green, 895. I believe this has two stuck to them. Oh, that's how they stuck them. Oh, that's interesting. I didn't see that. There's nothing in it. It's just a bag that's stuck to it. A nice kind of soft, well, kind of bubblegum pink, 892. A nice darker bubblegum pink, 891. And a really nice dark blue, 820. Oh my goodness, I really love all these colors. I cannot wait to get this up. But I already have a painting kitted up. It's my Tulips Galore, I believe that's what it's called, by Dreamer Design. So that is the next painting I'm planning to work on after I finish the artist room one. And once I do, I'll start on that one. But after that, I'll work on this one. And I really can't wait because I love all of the multicolor. And my apologies, the painting is longer than I thought. So I'm going to try to see if I can kind of just beat it through so you're able to see it a little better. So the little beginning butterflies are purple and yellow. You can kind of see it in the painting. And if I move it by, they're dark blue to a nice cerulean blue colored butterflies. And there's the green. I see the nice little Kelly green, the little sour apple green as I call it. Makes me think of Jolly Rancher green, so that's why I call it that. Let me roll it up a bit so I can get it more on the camera. And that really nice orange. Oh, I like that color a lot. And again, back to the blue and the reds here at the edge. Oh, I really love this painting. And I'm going to make sure to add, after this, I'm going to add kind of like another video of, well, included in this video, just a rundown of the whole painting, just so you can see it more fully. And if it's something you're interested in, you can actually catch what the painting actually looks like. Show the picture again, and there you go. As you can see, it's the whole rainbows of the colors. Oh, I really love this painting. It is gonna look so pretty once I put it on the wall. And yeah, that's all I have for today. I just really wanted to show this painting because I was super surprised when I ordered it and when I received it from Amazon, and the style of it super surprised me, and I'm just so excited. I have never done an ArtDot painting, so I'm, like I said, I am just really thrilled to try this painting. And I've heard really good, I don't want to say remarks, recommendations of this painting, so I'm just way too excited to start. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel, I just ask if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. And again, thank you for your time and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.